Good morning, students. Pranjal and Rajveer both are friends, classmates, and Rajveer is going to Pranjal's house to spend his summer break. They are a classmate in Delhi. Pranjal is from Assam, so they are going to Assam. So they are in train. One vendor is coming to say them to take one cup of tea. So both of them took tea. Then Rajveer said that over about 80 crores of cup are drunk every day in the whole world. Then Pranjal was very excited to listen this, and he said, yes, you are right, tea is really very popular. After that, the scene of the train started out to see. Pranjal started to read the Pranjal was started to read the detective books. Rajveer also liked to study detective books, but now he wanted to enjoy the scene of nature. First of all, though, he could see they are all about rice fields were there. After that, he started to see the tea bushes. Then there was first of all, these tea bushes were surrounded by the hills. Already tea bushes are very small and tall plants are making them dwarf. Then he exclaimed that tea gardens. Then he saw tea gardens. Then he shouted in exclamation. But Pranjal was not so excited. Why? Because he was born and brought up in that area. He has already seen many tea gardens. He said that one can, if you will spend your whole life in visiting tea garden here, then your life will be end, but tea gardens will never end. Then Rajveer said there are legends who no one knows that who discovered tea, but there are many legends. Okay, legends. What type of legends? So first legends he tell about a Chinese emperor, Chinese king. He said that he used to boil water before drinking. And one day, when some leaves were fallen in the water, and it gives a very delicious flavor, and then people started to name it tea leaves. After that, second one was Indian legend. Bodh Dharma was a person who used to cut his eyelid because he was getting sleepy because of when he was doing meditation. And whenever he threw his eyelids, there 10 tea plants grew up. And when these leaves of these plants were we put into the water, it removes a sleepiness or drowsiness. And tea was first drunk in China. It was 2700 for back as 2700 BC, and all the words like tea, chai, chini are derived from China, or these are Chinese words. Tea came in Europe in 16th century, and there also they did not use it as a beverage, they used it as a medicine. After that, Mariana Junction came. They collected their luggage and came out from the train. The platform was crowded. His father was, or his Pranjal's parents were waiting for them. So they drive towards Dekiabadi. It is a farm name where the Pranjal father was manager. And an hour later, they had to turn their car, or they crossed before entering in the Dekiabadi. They had to cross the cattle bridge also. The roads were not pakka. The kacha roads were there on both of the sides, and tea bushes were cut on the same height, and they could see the tea pluckers there. They had bamboo basket on their back, they had worn plastic aprons, and they were plucking newly sprouted leaves. After that, Pranjal's father slowed down to allow a tractor, and the tractor which was full of tea leaves. And then Rajveer said it is the second time of harvesting the tea bushes. Mr. Barua is the name of Pranjal's father. Then he said yes, and this time it moves from May to July, and it is the best tea leaves giving time. And टी लीव्स इस समय की जो टी लीव्स है वो सबसे अच्छी होती हैं. Then he said maybe you have done a good homework, but you have read a lot about tea. Yes, I have read, but I wanted to learn a lot from you also, Rajveer added. Thank you very much.